Hi, my name is Tim Hallis and I'm the course leader for Music Technology at Hills Road. Music technology is an exciting and engaging subject that combines practical skills with theoretical and historical knowledge. You will learn how to record, mix and produce recordings in a wide range of contemporary styles. You will compose using synthesizers and samplers and learn about how recording and popular music have developed over the last 100 years.
So yeah, with Music Tech course, they really help you sort of from the ground up. I mean, my village college didn't offer a Music Tech course, and you don't need to even play an instrument to really sort of get a feel for what it's like to be a music producer. It's really accessible. Mainly it can be split into sort of the theoretical history side, and you really go into electronic instruments. And then the other side is sort of the hands-on practical, which is what I personally enjoy. So you have the composition and then recording, which is really a big bulk of your Year 13 work, coursework particularly. That's when you get to actually use the studios. And so, yeah, the more hands-on approach is really appealing. There's always lots of performances coming up. That can be on the musical side if you're interested in performing in whatever instrument you do. And then on the other side of it, you have the engineering, the setting up and the monitoring, all of that stuff. And something we're doing at the moment is we're looking towards the Winter Ball. And so if you're in a band, if you're interested, you can get on, sign up and to do performance. And then on the other side, there's all the opportunities for engineering as well.
You will learn a variety of practical skills, including how to manage sessions in one of our 2 state-of-the-art recording studios. You'll have the opportunity to use professional hardware and software in both the studios and the main teaching classroom.
There's loads of facilities. I mean, I'm really grateful to have them all. We've got practice rooms with pianos in them. We've got the gallery, which is all the MacBooks, the workstations, and then the studio itself, which is we've got 2 of the upper 6 and lower 6. And the upper 6 is brilliant. We've got loads of amplifiers, mics, and just everything that you need to really sort of delve deep into just what it's like to be in a professional recording context, and being able to replicate that at this level, just only at A level, is really special. Not too long ago, we went to Rockfield Studios on a Music Tech trip, which is where Bohemian Rhapsody was recorded, What's the Story, Morning Glory, Oasis. And it was just an amazing experience to just be around industry professionals who just know the environment and just so familiar with all the gear, and then can teach you about it, and to sort of just get a better understanding of how everything works in a professional context.
The skills you will learn will be directly transferable to other platforms and will equip you effectively for the music and sound industry. Music technology will open up careers in a wide range of fields. Some of our students have gone off into careers including working as recording engineers, live sound engineers, and a wide range of careers in film, TV and games sound design.
Yeah, I mean, I chose Music Tech and music as well, just because that's the career path I want to pursue, and just to be as much involved in music as I can be. And doing music and Music Tech, it really just sort of covers all the bases. If you want to pursue a career in music, it just keeps your options open, because you never know what your interests might change to throughout the years of your education.